Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to episode 5 for writing. In this episode, we will learn all about the expository writing for grade 10. What is the expository writing? Generally speaking, an expository writing is a type of essay that explains, describes, and informs. So, when you read an expository essay, you will learn things and you will learn more about them as you read because it describes things and it's informative, basically. So, an expository essay is the kind of essay that can be used as a tool to show the reader why something is the way it is or how basically it works. And it is important for it to be extremely clear so the readers will have an understanding of what the topic is when they're finished. Meaning, when you write an expository essay, you have to be very clear, very informative. Imagine that the reader have no idea what you're talking about while writing. First of all, let's learn the main parts of the expository essay. In any essay, we will have an introduction, body, and conclusion. And don't forget that the body has two parts, part 1 and part 2, paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. The paragraphs also have parts, the topic sentence, followed by supporting sentences and concluding sentence. Now, when you look at the essay overall, you will find that every essay should have 4 main paragraphs: the introduction, the body 1, body 2, and the conclusion. So don't forget that. In this episode, we will learn basic things: the structure of the paragraph, how are we going to write a paragraph, and then how to write an introduction for the essay. Then we will learn what is basically the sentence is, and then we will learn the outline. What do I need by the structure of a paragraph? We will learn how to write a topic sentence, supporting sentences, and concluding sentences. And then we will learn how to write an introduction, writing a hook, background information, and thesis statement. And then we will define the sentence to write full grammatical sentences. And then we will learn what is the format of the outline. Now let's start with the sentence. A sentence is basically a group of words that expresses a complete idea. For example, when you say, "I like chocolates," is a full sentence because you are giving me a complete idea. How to write a good sentence? You will need a verb and a subject, at least one. Let's take a look. Noura likes online shopping. This sentence gives me an idea. Why is it good? Because it has a subject and a verb and it makes a complete idea. When you want to write a sentence, it should be full and grammatically correct. Let's take a look at the introduction. The introduction has 3 main parts: the hook, the background information, and the thesis statement. The hook is a good quote, a verse from the Quran, an interesting piece of information, anything to grab the attention of the reader, we call a hook. The background information introduces the reader to the background of the topic using 2 or 3 sentences. Just give us a general idea of the things that you're going to talk about in this essay. The thesis statement is very important. Why? Because it provides clear indicators to the writer's direction in the essay, meaning you will present the idea that you will discuss throughout the essay. That's why the thesis statement is very important. Let's take a look at this example for the introduction. It's never too late to start a healthy lifestyle. Physical activity provides long-term health benefits for everyone. By being active, you will burn calories that you store from eating throughout the day, providing opportunities for both adults and children to be active early on puts them on a path to better physical and mental health in the long term. Physical activity along with proper nutrition is beneficial to people of all ages. Now, let's look at the structure of the introduction. The first sentence is the hook. It's never too late to start a healthy lifestyle. The reader would want to read more when they read this hook because they want to know more about this essay or this idea. The last sentence, you see, physical activity along with proper nutrition is beneficial to people of all ages. This is the thesis statement because when I read this sentence, I know the direction of this essay, where the writer is going, and I will understand his idea. The sentences in the middle, those are the general information about the idea I will present. Just the background information about the topic. Okay? Is it clear? Good. Let's move on to the paragraph. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences about one topic. So your paragraph should hold one idea, one main idea, with supporting ideas. So a paragraph must be about one topic and many supporting ideas. Let's take a look at the topic sentence at the beginning of the paragraph. The topic sentence is the first sentence in the paragraph, holds the main idea about the paragraph. It holds the topic. That's why we call it a topic sentence. The topic sentence is always followed by the supporting sentences. The sentences that gives more information related to the topic you mentioned in the sentence. Okay? So it should be relevant, the same topic, but more ideas about them. And then we will conclude this paragraph, the short one, with the concluding sentences. It's the last sentence in the paragraph, repeats the main idea using concluding terms. That's very clear. Let's take an example for a paragraph. Physical activity protects you by regulating your weight and improving your body muscles. Physical activity includes all activities at any intensity, performed during any time of the day. Exercises and daily activities are important to improve muscular fitness and bone function, as well as reducing the risk of hypertension, heart disease, diabetes, and various types of cancer. Moreover, regular exercise can have a profoundly positive impact on depression, anxiety, and more. Physical activity promotes good mental and physical health. Let's look at the structure of this paragraph. So you see the topic sentence, it has the main topic, which is the physical activity protects you. Okay, so this is my topic. I followed it by supporting sentences about the same topic, but I gave more information about it. And then I wrapped up this small paragraph with the concluding sentence, repeating what the idea I gave at the beginning. This is how your paragraph should look like. Okay, if the question, for example, in the exam was, everyone speaks about following a healthy lifestyle, but no one speaks about the food and properties a healthy lifestyle should include. In no less than 12 sentences, meaning 140 words, plan and write an essay explaining how physical activity and nutritious food will benefit a person both mentally and physically. Okay, let's take a closer look at the question. Now they said plan and write, which means you have to plan using an outline. Okay, and then they gave you two ideas, physical activity and nutritious food. So you have two ideas to use, how they will benefit you mentally and physically. So let's take a look at the outline. The outline starts with what we call an introduction. And as we said, the introduction needs a hook and thesis statement. For example, we will use a hook like exercise and diet are the most powerful weapons you can use to change your life. This will grab the attention of the reader to read even more. The thesis statement, for example, will be physical activity and a nutritious diet are beneficial for both our mind and body. This is the introduction for the outline. Let's take a look at the body. And we said the body have paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Okay? and they gave you two ideas to put, one in the paragraph 1 and the second is in the paragraph 2. So we will start with the topic sentence, supporting ideas, concluding sentence, as well as for the paragraph 2, topic sentence, supporting ideas, and concluding sentences. For paragraph 1, for example, you will say mental and physical benefits of physical activity. For the mental benefits, you will mention reduce stress, more relaxed, improve the mood. For the physical benefits, you will say help with sleep, fight illness, and gives us more energy. So all these ideas you will write in the paragraph 1. In the paragraph 2, you will give us and expose, describe more ideas to the reader. For example, mental and physical benefits of a nutritious diet. So in the first paragraph, we discuss the physical activity. In the second paragraph, we will discuss the nutritious diet. On the mental benefits will be to protect us from illnesses and improve our immune system. And the physical benefits, it will clear the thinking and develop the brain. This is how you divide the ideas to make a complete, meaningful essay. In the conclusion, you will basically restate the thesis statement, rewrite the thesis statement using more new words and ideas, summarize the main ideas. For example, if I want to restate the thesis statement in the conclusion, I will say exercise and a healthy diet have both mental and physical benefits on us. And if I want to summarize the main idea, I will say they both improve our mood, reduce stress and anxiety, as well as help us fight diseases and get energized. This is how you build up your outline. In this episode, we learned the parts of the essay, parts of the paragraph, what a sentence is, parts of an introduction and how to write an introduction, parts of a paragraph and how to write a paragraph, identifying the parts of an outline, and then we outlined the essay. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in other episodes.